नहीं भैया, वो लास्ट वन है। बुद्धि?
हाँ।
When you go to pick up this now,
Yeah.
there is soda का crate होता है।
चाबी दे।
Thank you so much। सोडा आएगा तो मैंने भी दे दिया।
स्कॉर्पियो की
थोड़ा आएगा।
स्कॉर्पियो की तेरे पास है?
Just soda.
स्कॉर्पियो तेरे पास है?
Okay, मेरे पास है।
सोडा नहीं।
या
एक मिनट, बुद्धि को भी आ जाते यार, वो तेरे को रिमाइंड करेगा।
आ जा, बना ले पहले, बना ले। मैं सोच रहा हूँ भी फिर निकल लेते हैं इसमें। फॉग होता है बच्चे भी हैं।
अभी कहाँ पहुँच?
2 घंटे लगे नहीं।
सुबह ही जाना यहाँ पे give you place.
आ जाओ, बुद्धि बनाता रहेगा। आ जाओ, आ जा भी।
एक मिनट यार, मैं नदियाँ इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं।
हाँ बोल। पूरी तरह हिस्ट्री बताता हूँ। 36 APS बैच।
एक मिनट, इधर आ पहले, लाइट में आ पहले। लाइटिंग रिकॉर्डिंग इट फॉर द अदर गाइस बैक देयर।
हाँ
रिकॉर्डिंग इट फॉर द अदर गाइस बैक देयर।
ओके
बैक इन
इधर खड़े हो यार। अच्छा हाँ, तो तू बोल रहा था।
या
So starting from the
86 batch, the
Huh.
first guys to join were of course the brightest guys, and we are fortunate to have one of them amongst us, Aditya Buddhi Raja.
Already he was so bright, he has proceeded to on pension.
Yeah, he was
Acha.
too bright for the army actually. So they had no option but
I'm
to
an
leave him.
ex-serviceman now.
In spite of their best efforts, they couldn't retain him because you
एक
know
मिनट थोड़ा आगे हो जाओ, नु आते पार।
you can't stop an idea whose time has come.
Yeah, and I love you all.
And it was like that.
यार इधर आ।
अच्छा
So Aditya and Mohit Malhotra.
Yeah, from 11B,
अच्छा
ability
So
section.
Aditya is here, and what happened to Mohit Malhotra?
Mohit Malhotra is still in the army, and of course,
He is-
needless to say, he's doing very well.
And
of
this-
course, there was another guy, Vikram
Nagpal. Okay.
Mohit Malhotra
Huh.
is presently commanding in Amritsar. He is doing very well. He has done staff college in UK, Camberley.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
That.
Oh, really? So the top guys go to UK?
Top guy.
Uh-huh.
He is the number 1 of the batch.
अच्छा अच्छा
And
Vikram
subsequently in the next batch, Uday Java, Mohit Nasa, Abhay Mahajan,
Yeah.
Vikram Nagpal.
एक मिनट, this was the batch 76 batch
75th
75th NDA course.
Yeah.
हाँ, अच्छा अच्छा
74th NDA,
Yeah.
me and Mohit Malhotra.
Yeah.
75th NDA, Uday Java,
yeah
Mohit Nasa, Abhay Mahajan,
yeah
Shiv Tiwari.
yeah.
Shiv Tiwari is in the Navy and again he's doing very well.
Acha.
He went to something called Marcos, which is Marine Commandos.
Wow.
And he commanded the Marcos unit.
Acha.
There are just 1 or 2 of them.
अच्छा ठीक है, वहाँ नेवी सील्स कहते हैं जिनको
Yeah.
सील्स
So equivalent of the Navy SEALs.
Acha.
And in
Commanding one
fact,
of
there
those.
was another guy who joined 74th NDA with me and Mohit Malhotra
हाँ हाँ
throughout APS till 10th. Rakesh Pratap Singh, Rocky.
Yeah. He's a flyer with the Navy.
Acha.
And I believe he's presently posted at Goa.
when you say
Goa.
flyer, naval aviator
Yeah,
Naval
he's a
aviator.
One of those
Presently
top
posted
gun
in
type.
Goa.
अच्छा top
One of
man
those top gun guys.
He's a naval aviator.
हाँ
Presently posted in Goa.
हाँ
Yeah.
And so many of our guys came in 75 NDA
अच्छा
that me and Rocky decided to join them.
अच्छा
We dropped the term and joined the bulk of recruitments.
अच्छा
And let Mohit Malhotra be the beacon of the 86 batch.
अच्छा अच्छा तो एक यहाँ रिसर्च लेंगे तो चड्डा जब वहाँ आया तो क्या हुआ? चड्डा came to visit you in India, right?
Chatta
There was another
always-
guy, Parijat Chandel,
हाँ हाँ
who's in Navy.
Yeah.
In
Acha.
75.
So this guy, when so many of us were in NDA,
Yeah.
our dear friend decided to visit us.
अच्छा फिर
And he intentionally decided to wear a combat jacket, those army camouflage print jacket.
And went to India.
So we were all there. We were going to the mess for a meal, and
Acha.
this guy was standing in the lobby and calling each one of us. Kapoor, come here. Buddhi, come here. And, we were talking, and all the other guys who were 3-4 terms senior, they were saluting him. Good evening, sir. Yes, sir. Please carry on. Please carry on. And you can imagine the rest when they all got to know that this guy was not an officer, but another postmate of us, not even in the army.
And
So we got the brunt of it after that.
for all of us in NDA, who were 20-25 of us, we
Yeah.
got a sack full of condoms.
अच्छा
He started advocating safe sex in
अब मुन्नी
86.
बदनाम हो गई।
But he didn't know that we could only use them as balloons for Holi.
Hey, but you could always use them on each other.
अच्छा so coming back
We are not from Mayo School, David. We are from APS.
Gentlemen,
We are not Mayo
there's a limit on the memory here. So coming back to the topics, 76 course.
Yeah, 76 we had only Minhas.
Yeah.
Jitendra Minhas, who's in the signals. He's just finished command of a regiment.
Okay.
And he's got posted to Delhi.
Okay.
And the other guy was
इंटरव्यू हो रहा है यहाँ पे
who joined the EME.
Sood.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
He's also finished command of a unit in Pune.
Acha.
And I think he's moving somewhere else, but I don't know where exactly. So
Okay.
they were the two guys who joined 76.
Okay.
Then came 77.
Uh-huh.
It was just me, yours truly, and Nitish Bhatnagar, another private boy who just finished command of a regiment of signals.
Acha.
And he's moved to Wellington, where we have the staff college. So he's an instructor in staff college now.
Okay.
Then
But
we
वो
had,
तो signals is non-technical, right?
no, it's a technical arm.
Acha.
They provide all the communications. So
Right. It's technical. It's technical.
He is the
Yeah.
Vodafone and the idea of the
Right. What I mean is, if he's technical, how come he's going to staff college? Staff college
He's
goes
not
for.
an instructor, so there you have all people know all arms.
He's a communications expert.
So
Okay.
he's gone on in his capacity as a communicator.
Then we had
Neeraj Shukla was the last guy who
last
went.
guy.
Okay. So that was batch 78.
79.
79.
78 we don't have anybody.
Okay.
79 Neeraj Shukla.
तो वो BSc खत्म करके गया सीगा वो?
Sorry?
BSc खत्म करके गया सीगा वो?
He was in BSc. He left in second year. He
Acha.
joined the ND
Acha.
and he's been ADC to the president.
And he's presently commanding Assam Rifles Battalion in Nagaland.
अच्छा, Assam Rifles. He went to infantry too?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he was in Jackline.
यार तुमने ना सबकी कोर नहीं बताई है, बताइए इसमें कोर?
Mostly
अच्छा.
we know. I
अच्छा.
told who's commanding
अच्छा,
what.
ठीक है. And so that was the last guy to go in was
Who were
Shukla.
worth mentioning, they have been mentioned.
Okay.
There were some guys who joined directly also.
Sanjay
From
Makkad.
IMS, or like Sanjay
Yeah.
Makkad, who joined the Armored Corps after graduation, and unfortunately is not here amongst us.
Right.
God bless
He
his
passed
soul.
away last year.
Yeah.
But of course, me, Buddhi, and Chadda were here, so we all went for the funeral and the chautha and everything.
Sanjay Makkad.
Yeah, Makkad had parental in armored?
Yeah, his father was from Armored Corps.
His father was in signals.
अच्छा.
Okay, but he joined the Armored Corps.
His father was no more once he joined school.
हाँ ठीक है. That much I know. That much we
I
know.
read his notes couple of times.
Okay, I missed out on Amit Sharma. Again, he joined after
अच्छा.
graduation.
No, you missed out on 2-3 more people, but I'll tell you later.
Amit Sharma is now he's commanding a ordnance unit in Meerut.
Okay.
Another
Amit
fine
Sharma
guy.
was direct IMA kind.
Yeah, he joined directly
Direct entry.
after,
Okay, okay.
I mean, after graduation.
Right.
And he's also doing very well, a very fine officer.
Yeah.
Now he's commanding a unit in
Okay.
Meerut.
So these were the regular guys. Now there was, I know, Anjali Sehgal, Pragati Tugnaik,
Correct.
and Chetan Sharda. They were FMC, right?
Yeah.
The
Anjali,
doctors of the course through AFMC.
Pragati
Right.
is now a doctor, Lieutenant Colonel. She's posted in Bombay.
And we have
Bombay,
one more,
yeah.
Kirat Grewal.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He's
she's a dental
Army
officer in the
Dental
army.
Corps officer.
And-
And also Lieutenant Colonel, posted in Mumbai.
Yeah.
खंडाला कौन बोल रहा था
खंडाला में कौन सी फौज है?
अबे मेरे कल कौन बोल रहा था बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस से बोल रहा
She is in Warsaw, Mud Island.
था ऐसा
हो गया।
लास्ट